Okay, coming to part number 2 of my ozone generator measuring equipment repair. I have successfully removed the faulty sensor unit. It's quite complex. It has a couple of chips on the bottom here and a transistor, it looks like. And that was the faulty unit from the orange one, and of course I pulled the other one out, which appears to be the same model. So this is going to be soldered into this unit, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, my Hakko 936 has successfully soldered in the new sensor. I've reconnected the positive lead of the battery, and next we're going to test it. Unfortunately, my concealed ozone generator is not available, so I've got to use an open one, which looks a bit like this, where I'm going to feed in 240 volts here. So I'm using an isolation transformer and the Variac to have a bit of control. So the Variac allows me to control the voltage here from 0 to a bit over 250 volts. It was actually a European Variac. Goes up to 260. Well, depends if you put a meter on, you can tell.